Hey guys, thanks for popping in. My name is Kelly Dakota, if you don't know me, and we are going to talk about the options for the October starter kits, October 2019, Perfectly Posh. Let's do this. So there are two options for starter kits to get started with a Posh business, or even just to get a discount for yourself on your own orders. You can do anything with it. You don't have to do one thing or another, but let's just jump in. So I'm really excited to make this video because we have new starter kits and I got my hand on one. So I will show you that in a second. That's the $99 kit, but first let's start with talking about the $30 kit. Yes, you can join Posh for just $30. That is amazing, right? 30 bucks, start a business. You don't get a whole bunch of products. You usually just get some printed materials, and then you get half off samples that you want to buy, and of course your discount on any products that you want to buy as soon as you are an active influencer or consultant or representative, whatever you want to call yourself. With the $30 kit, you get a catalog, a polka dotted guide, pampered reading cards, opportunity cards, notepads, and you get, I have a list, and you get, let's see, you get half off your samples for the first 21 days. You get that includes your annual fee of $10 to keep your account active. We don't have any sales minimums, nothing like that. Your website's free. You never deactivate unless you absolutely want to. But you're here. Once you're here, you're here. And it's only $10 a year to keep that discount for yourself. So it's basically like a Sam's Club membership or something like that for your Posh. And it's only $10. Sam's Clubs are like $60. And the kits ship free, and you get 2 free shipping codes, which are worth $12 when you sign up. Awesome, right? So I think I covered that. And you get instant commissions. You get instant commissions on your own orders and anything that anyone else orders with you. Whenever you get paid within minutes on every order. So you get all that for $30. And I'm going to show you like those cards and things in a second, because they also come in the $99 kit. All the things I just said also you get in the $99 kit, and you get even more. So this is the $99 kit. Comes in this box with these products, and then underneath the products there's a flap. We'll get to that, but let's just talk about what's coming in the October kit. So I gotta put this on my lap, but you get the Honey body cream. This is a #1 seller. I've been with Posh for 3.5 years. We've had this product since the beginning, or my beginning. I don't know when exactly it came out. It's been retubed and all that. This is an old, but this is a best-selling product. It smells amazing. It works great. It's so good for dry skin because it's actually got honey in there, and that relieves dry, irritated skin. It smells like honey lemon. It's just wonderful. People really love this hand cream. And you get the Satsuma body wash. It's a body wash and a scrub all in one. It smells so good, like fresh Satsuma orange. I love this scent. And it's a fun body gel, and this is great to have with the upcoming winter months. Both of those are, as well as the Brazilian Bombshell, so soapy. Everyone loves this scent. Summer, winter, whatever. It reminds me of summer, but even in the colder months, it's so great to have a summery scent. The scent is Brazil nut, coconut cream, and vanilla. But it has this fruity quality to me. It's really, really good. Suds up good, smells really good. You also get our new reformulated, very sleepy skin stick. We've had the Sleepy Sleep skin stick for a while, and that is lavender oil in a shea butter base. It helps you fall asleep. It helps calm you down. It's even good for skin irritations because lavender oil is great for that. This one is amped up. It's got all of that, plus it has melatonin in it and chamomile and our own blend of Posh biotics, which is really good for your skin. So people are loving this new Very Sleepy. So good if you have little kids too. And you get all fluffed up marshmallow vanilla, holiday edition, limited edition. This is gonna sell out like this week, but you will get it in your October kit. They have saved it, put some aside for the kits, so you will get it in here. And if you are either in the military or a first responder or the spouse of a military person or a first responder, you get a discount on the $99 kit. I believe it's $85, but I think. And both kits ship for free. So you take this out. Oh, and there's more, hold on. In October, you also get a bonus face mask. This is an exclusive face mask. You can't buy this. It's called The Ritual. It's deep cleansing and clarifying. It's pink. It cleans your pores. It is such a pink poshy face mask. And you get this for free. It doesn't come in the kit, but you can redeem it on your website, like with your next order. So that is free, $20 value, bonus gift in October. And then when you open this up, it says step 1, indulge in pampering for yourself. Step 2, learn and share. You are hashtag PoshBoss now. Step 3, open for business. So I'm opening, and when you open that flap, all your goodies are down there, and you get, this is all the stuff I mentioned with the $30 kit. So both kits come with this stuff. A catalog, influencer, become an influencer cards if you want to grow a team. Pick your 6 note cards, 3 packs of those. We go with pick your 6 a lot because most of our products are buy 5, get the 6th free. So we like to sell in sets of 6, but you don't have to. And there's a polka dotted guide. This is the Posh Bible. It just breaks down like our pay plan and bonuses you can earn. I love going for bonuses. Perks, if you are familiar, Posh customer, you're familiar with the Perks account. That's our rewards program, loyalty points. You earn a bunch of perks when you're a hostess. You can still get all of that when you join. You still earn perks like a customer. You still earn hostess rewards every single month. When you set up a party in your name, you can still get all that extra stuff, and you get paid. If you love Posh, you need to jump in on this. You also get a Spanish card. A lot of our materials are coming in Spanish now, so there's an intro to that. And there's pampered reading cards. And these are really great if you're thinking like, oh my gosh, this sounds fun, but like, how am I gonna help people? I don't know what to talk about. Well, if somebody, let's see, they have acne problems and they need to really clean their skin, and they're like, what should I use? And you're like, I don't really know. You pull out the detoxifying card, and it tells you what products are recommended the most for detoxing and for the face and body. And we've got all the cards for like sensitive skin, aging skin, and like we got one that's just for the feet and one for the hands and one for like our CBD line and all of that. And then in the $99 kit, you get 2 packs of samples as well. Right Back At You face wash, 20 of those, and beach blanket hand cream, 20 of those. And that is about it. I think I covered it all. If you have any questions about anything, please, please, please shoot me a message. I'm gonna post this on YouTube and Facebook and maybe Instagram. So if you're watching me on YouTube, I'll put my email in the caption. And if you're anywhere else, just shoot me a message and I can answer any questions you have. No pressure. I won't try to talk you into anything. Like, I'm very upfront with everything, and I will help you as little or as much as you want. If you want to sign up, go to poshwithkelly.com and click around under, I think the heading is called catalog. They've just recently changed it. I think it says catalog now, and then you can see some links about what it means to be posh and joining. It doesn't really scream at you, but that's where it is. And you can just click through and sign up for either $30 or $99. That is it. Thank you for watching, and please talk to me if you need any help. Bye.